Hello friends, my name is Rudin VS. You're watching me on TechMarais YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a reality check on antivirus on our smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's start. We are a generation migrated from laptop to smartphone. So I can totally understand that if you're insisting on having an antivirus in your smartphone. But are we really benefiting from having an antivirus in our smartphone? So let's do some fact checks and analyze it. The antivirus is an application which have all the permissions in your phone. It have access for audio recording, camera, file access, messaging, calls, and also it have administrative permissions, which means it can sneak out any data without giving any hint of it. So this application itself is a threat to your phone if you consider from a different angle. There are a lot of fake applications in Google Play that are there only to collect information from the end user. Yes, it's a fact that Google is trying to get rid of these applications, but we cannot totally rely on Google for making it as a safe place. And in the past also there has been incidents where more than 50,000 plus downloaded applications turned out to be fake and stealing data from the user. So you have to be careful. And moreover, we cannot judge an application like antivirus based on user rating, because user rating is only a mark of how user is experiencing this application, not a mark of how effective this antivirus is. From a recent study of AV Comparatives, a European company that tests antivirus products, they were able to identify around 250 antivirus applications in Google Play, and that they have tested these 250 applications with their 2000 plus malware set. And only 80 of those applications were able to identify at least 30% of these virus attacks or malware attacks from this company. So you can see that only 80 applications can be said that they have passed the basic 30% score of detection rate. So in this app, there were several applications with same code signature, which means it's a copy of one another. And in other applications, the method used to identify virus or malware attack was to keep a whitelist of applications that are allowed to install in your phone. But that's a stupid idea, because let me tell you, if I'm a hacker, I'll only create applications with some popular names, Facebook, VLC, that you people may install if you have seen one. So in that way, these applications are not actually effective. If someone is creating an antivirus, you have to be more careful than that. Out of these applications, only a handful of applications were actually effective, and those products which are effective had a better antivirus product in computer segment like Bitdefender, Symantec, etc. So if you really want to go for an antivirus in your smartphone, you can go for them. Antivirus is a product that is very resource intensive. So if you are running that on your smartphone, it may hamper the performance of your device. So you have to live with that. In my personal opinion, you really don't need an antivirus in your smartphone. Just be careful when you are installing an application, and also when you install an application, they will ask for permissions. Only give permissions that are relevant to that application. I think then you will be fine. That's it friends, thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also click on that bell icon so you'll get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye, see you on the next video.